Now see children, today we shall do unseen passage. Okay, you may take out practice paper number 1. It is already solved and given. It will be easy for you to understand in a better way. Okay, take out page number 20 in your total English book, practice paper number 1. Okay, question number 4. As I told you earlier that unseen passage carries 20 marks. Okay, it is of 20 marks, and as you were doing earlier in the previous classes, in class 7th and 8th, unseen passages were quite short, isn't it? But now in class 9th, as you have reached, you are in senior section, so unseen passage is little bigger comparatively. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to be focused on the explanation that is given, that is the story that is given in the passage, so you have to read it carefully. Okay, so how to do in the better way and how you can score marks in this in less time. Okay, because time management is very important when you will solve your question paper. Okay, class 9th question paper, as you will solve, it is of 80 marks. So when you will solve it, when you will appear in your exam, so it is very important to keep the time management. Okay, time management रहेगा तभी जाके आप कुछ solve कर पाओगे. Otherwise, there are so many students, even bright students are there, those who do not practice unseen passages, and they lose their marks in this. Okay, their marks in exam get cut off because of this only, unseen passages, because they have not properly managed their time in solving it. Okay, so what is the better way, in which way you can solve this unseen passage? See, as you get the question paper, okay, as you get the question paper in the exam, so 15 minutes reading time is given. Okay, so in that 15 minutes you can utilize, that 15 minutes you can utilize to read the passage. At least once you should read out. Okay, once you should read the passage and then see the questions based on it, and then you can move to the next question, essay writing or letter writing, whichever is there. Then you go through this कि क्या दिया है, and then you can think about letter writing. Okay, which one is the better one to solve? But at least 5 minutes you should devote in this only. Do not waste that time, reading time that is given, in looking here and there and simply sitting. Okay, that time you should utilize thinking about the essays and reading the unseen passage. Okay, now when you start solving this unseen passage, so first thing that you should do is you should read out the passage frequently. एक बार पैसेज को अच्छे से पढ़ लिया, ठीक है. अच्छे से पढ़ने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि you should waste your 20 minutes in reading one paragraph only. No, कि एक बार read कर लिया पूरा passage, understood this comprehension, and then after that immediately ये मत सोचो कि अभी मुझे समझ नहीं आया तो मैं क्या करूँ. After that you should read out the questions that are given. Okay, so when you will read the questions of unseen passage, then you will realize that few things that have taken place in the story which we have read, so answers of that are given in the chronological order. Chronological order means sequence में दिया है, that you may find first answer of first question in first paragraph, second one in second or third. So in this way sequence में ही दिया है. And then after that what you should do, you should read out the questions और दिमाग में बिठा लो, and then second time when you will read the passage, so it will be easy for you to understand the answers of these questions. Okay, this question was there, as you will read, then you will get, okay, this was asked, okay, and then that you can mark, and then you have to write answer of it in your own words. Clear? तब जाके उसको आपको अपने शब्दों में करके लिखना है. Don't copy the exact things which is mentioned in the paragraph, because sometimes questions are asked in different form and you have to write it in that form only. Okay, so don't copy the exact. Sometimes in your questions it is asked, okay, that which sentence is there that tells about so and so. In that case you have to write the exact sentence that is given in the passage. Okay, otherwise if it is asked about any happening that has taken place in the story or anything, then in that case you have to, what you have to do, you have to write answers in your own words. Clear? And then in this you can see unseen passage on page number 21. On page number 21, question number A is given that give the meaning of the following words as used in the passage. One word answers or short phrases will be accepted. Okay, so there 3 words are given. Okay, in this 3 words are given and you have to give the meanings of these words. आपको क्या लिखना है? आपको मीनिंग लिखनी है इन वर्ड्स की. सो मीनिंग कैन बी इन वन वर्ड ऑल्सो और इट कैन बी इन small phrase form also. Phrase form means that is in 2 to 3 words, not more than that. Okay, in 2 to 3 words you can write the meaning, but not more than that. Then, so 3 words are given. So these 3 words are there that are given from the unseen passage only. Okay, from the comprehension. So you have to write its meaning in the same way as it is used in the comprehension. ठीक है, मतलब इसका कभी कभार क्या होता है कि वन वर्ड हैज 2 मीनिंग्स, सो यू हैव टू राइट द मीनिंग in the same way, in the same sense as it is used in the paragraph. Clear? And then, so this question carries 3 marks, that 1 mark for 1 meaning. Okay, and then B question is given that answer the following questions briefly in your own words. ठीक है, अपने शब्दों में आपको आंसर लिखना है. You have to write in your own words. Be with that. Now see, after this 5 questions are given in this. So marks are allotted that 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So questions are given that name the 2 clans who were in conflict with each other. What was the cause of the feud between the 2 families? Okay, अब ये आपको आराम से मिल जाएगा इसमें से from the passage if you will read. So what you have to do as you go to your home today, so you read out कि मतलब कि इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है. You try to understand the comprehension and then you try to write by your own. Okay, and then second one is what was Ulrich and George's ulterior motive in going to the woods at night? So you will come to know about these answers once you understand the comprehension. Understood, children? Now after this our main part is question number C. Question number C you can look here in the book and that is completely new for you. Okay, because this type of answer you have never written earlier, nor in class 8 or in the previous classes. So here in not more than 50 words state the surprise ending of the story. Okay, what is there? That not more than 50 words, that is 50 words से ज़्यादा शब्द आपको यूज नहीं करने आपके आंसर में. Be with that. Okay, if you used more than 50 words, then that part will be waste. You will not get marks for that part. Only in 50 words you have to end your answer. You have to keep your answer. Word limit is given. Okay, so here in not more than 50 words state the surprise ending of the story. And what you have to write in this surprise ending of the story कि मतलब कि story के अंदर जो ending हुई है that you have to explain in this part. Understood, children? So how to write this? Now you turn the page. Page number 27. Please take out. So in page number 27, now see that it is already solved and given. Practice paper number 1 is already solved and given. How many had seen earlier? This? And what about you all? No. है ना? कुछ करना ही नहीं है. Very good. Those who have seen. Now here you can see it is already solved and given. Answers are given here. Only practice number 1 is solved and given for your reference. Okay. Now you see answer number C is given. In this you can see the blocks are made. Okay, rows and columns are there and block is made. So as it is given, instruction is given to you that not more than 50 words. So here what you have to do, as you will write the answer, then at first you have to make this block diagram in your copy. Okay, and now see that how many rows and columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there and 10 rows are there. That means 5 tens are 50. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to use your pencil and scale. Pencil and ruler you have to use and you have to make this block diagram at first for this. And how you can make? Using your pencil and scale. How many columns are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And then here you have to make how many rows? 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 5s are 15. Okay, so for this you have to do this. And then you have to write that what is the surprise ending of the story. Surprise ending only you have to mention. Now, in this you can see answer is solved and given for you. So here just I will read out that at the end of the story, both Ulrich and George made up with each other. They shouted together for help. After a few minutes, Ulrich saw figures coming towards them. As they were waiting for either of the two's retainers to come and rescue them, they saw wolves approaching them. Understood? So this is the answer. This is the surprise ending of the story. And now you can see कि इसमें one word is written in one block. Okay, एक शब्द एक block के अंदर. One word in one block you have to write. Understood? So this you have to keep in mind that at the end of the story, as it is written here, the same way you have to write in your copy also. At the end of the story. Did you get that?
Yes,
How you
sir.
have to write answers? Okay,
Yes,
it is already solved and given. It will be easy for you to understand. Understood? So in this way only you have to solve this unseen passage. I hope it is clear to you.
Yes.
Okay. So in this way you have to do this, and you can see that this question is of how many marks? It is of 8 marks.
Yes,
8
sir.
marks question. So you don't have to take it very lightly because children fail to score marks in this only. अब 8 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है ये. सो हाउ टू स्कोर 8 मार्क्स इन दिस, किन बातों का आपको ध्यान में रखना है इसमें करते हुए? दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड दैट ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स रिलेटेड टू द क्वेश्चन शुड कम इन योर आंसर. ठीक है, जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है आपके आंसर से रिलेटेड दैट शुड कम इन दिस. Okay, now here you can see at the end of the story, both Ulrich and George made up with each other. देखो एक पॉइंट ये हो गया. Just mark with pencil. Just give me one pencil, Ratna. Give me one. No worries. Thank you. Now here you can see that first point is given. Both Ulrich and George made up with each other. This is first point. Okay, and then they shouted together for help. This is second point. Then, after a few minutes, Ulrich saw figures coming towards them. This is third point. Okay. And then, as they were waiting for either of the two retainers to come and rescue them, they saw wolves approaching them. Okay. So, in this there are 2 points. उन्होंने क्या इसमें किया? That as they were waiting for either of the two retainers to come. So, this is one point. And rescue them. Okay, and they saw wolves approaching to them. So in this there are almost 3 points. Okay, so 3 plus 3, 6 points are there. Okay, so 5 to 6 important points will always be there asked to write in this question. Okay, so 1 marks for 1 point, 1 marks for 1 point, 1 marks for 1 point. Altogether it will be of 6 marks. 6 marks, and the remaining 2 marks will be given if your all 6 are correct. Then 2 more marks will be given. If you will write only 5 points or 4 points, then marks will keep decreasing. That out of 2 marks will be deducted. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Children?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes,
Now, what you have to do today, as you will go to your home, you have to read this passage. At first you do this only, practice paper number 1. इसको आप पढ़ो, you read out this passage and then you try to, don't look at the answers कि answers क्या दिए हुए हैं. Okay, don't cheat from there. At first you try to solve it by your own. You solve it by your own and then you can match the answer that whatever I have learned, the way I have learned and the way I am doing, that is correct or not. Answers which I have written, that is correct or not. वो सही है कि नहीं है. Did you get that? And then answers are given, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay? And then you write this answer also, try to write by your own and then you match कि आपने क्या गलती किया, where I have made mistake. Then you can correct to your own. Understood? Am I clear?
yes, sir.
Yes. And then what you can do, once you will be able to do this, then you can go for practice paper number 2, unseen passage. Okay? Then you can practice paper number 2, unseen passage, 3rd, 4th, 5th, in that way. Okay? Yeah. And make it as your habit, make this habit of using dictionary. That unseen passage when you go through, so many words will come with which you will not be familiar, you may not know their meaning. So keep underlying those difficult words and then keep writing their meanings, keep learning the meanings. जब आप meanings याद करोगे, so it will be very helpful, so that whenever that word will come across, so you can easily understand that. ठीक है, क्योंकि एक बार लिखने से, एक बार पढ़ने से आपके दिमाग में चीज़ें नहीं बैठेंगी. When you will practice it again and again, then only you will understand and have vocabulary with you. Okay? और इसका जो 3 marks का जो question है, this one, word meaning that you have to write, in that you have to keep in mind that the word that is given and the meaning you have to write of that, it should be in the same tense as it is given in the word form. Okay, if your word is given in present form, meaning you have to write in present form. If it is given in past form, you have to write meaning in the past form. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. Now here you can see what is the meaning given, like loggerheads. First word is given, loggerheads, that means strong disagreement. So that is given in present only. Then ulterior, ulterior means secret purpose. Then interlopers, interloper means intruders. Okay, so how you can increase your vocabulary, your diction, by having this habit of using dictionary again and again. Clear, children? So this is all about your unseen passage.